Hello my dear viewers, welcome to part 2 of our hiking trip to the Cuevas Negras, that means black caves. I'm here on Tenerife together with my family, and today we make a hiking trip into the mountains. Like I told you, or as I told you in the last video, part 1, at the moment we are here on Tenerife, the northwestern part in Los Silos, and today we're exploring here in the land, the mountains, and it's so amazing and so beautiful here. I can't believe it. So together we can enjoy here Mother Nature. I take you with me and wish you lots of fun with this video.
Ob die reich sind.
What you can see here is a very old fig tree here, and all the figs are here on the floor. They're very small, but they look ripe, and it's a little bit colder here because of the shade, and beautiful with the volcanic rocks here. All around here you can see creepy spider webs, but there's no need to be afraid here, because here are no poisonous animals or insects. The spiders are very small, there are no snakes, only a lot of lizards. There are a few ticks, but yeah, really not much, and there are no flies around here, that malaria flies for example, or something like that. No snakes, no wolves, no tigers, nothing. The only wild animal here is some rabbits are here, or goats in the mountains. So it's very safe. Okay, and that's the view to the small village Los Silos. There you can go to the beach, swimming, snorkeling, fishing, diving, everything is possible. Tenerife is a volcanic island, and it's about 12 million years old. La Palma, for example, is only 2 million years old. Here on Tenerife we have a high volcano mountain. It's about 3,700 meters high. It's called the Teide. I have so much to tell you. It's very interesting. Here on this island there were the native people long time ago called Guanchen, and they were really real bushcrafters. I visited a museum a couple of days ago, and yeah, step by step I will tell you everything. I will tell you, or I will show you everything, and Down there was a sign, and I read there that the Guanches, they lived here in this area. And yeah, it's very, very interesting. Okay, now we are in the middle of the mountains. I will end this video here. See you in part 3. Like I told you, I have to make this video in a few parts because of the bad internet here. So maybe I do some short videos and then I have no problems with the upload. Okay, so I leave you alone now with the beautiful view to Los Silos. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.